This video is for a Honda 2008 Honda Fit Sport Edition. So if you got broken wheel studs from a shitty tire shop with a bunch of Taco Bell mechanics and they break your lug nut studs because they cross-threaded them and impacted them on, well, you can't just pound the studs out like a lot of other vehicles. You can just pound the studs out in 20 minutes, whatever, put new ones in. This one, you have to disassemble everything, take the whole wheel hub off, and you need to press it out. Here's the broken wheel stud. They broke like 4 on the vehicle. There happens to be 1 on this stud that I'm working on. So when you press it out, I'm going to use a 32mm socket and blocks of wood on the sides. If you're super worried, you can ratchet strap these down, whatever. I've gotten away with it a lot of times without. But you pop out the wheel bearing, pop out the whole hub, and the bearing breaks every time you take these out. So you're going to need a new bearing, and you're going to need to press that in, and also press in the new studs. But that's pretty much how it goes. You just do that, and then reassemble everything, and you're good to go. This is for a 2008 Honda Fit Sport.